Hey guys, it's Justin from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. This is our weekly watch list video highlighting a few stocks we are watching as well as a key market breakdown. Enjoy. Alrighty, so let's get things started here. Breaking down SPY, which is going to be the S&P 500 index. We had this nice higher low that we put in here on 117. Follow through bar here on 118, and then a very, very strong breakout bar here on Friday, which would be 119. We're breaking this previous high here from 112, very strong breakout candle here. Now the problem remains, however, is that it's very hard now at all-time highs to have prior price data to trade off of. So what I recommend you guys doing is using whole dollar regions on SPY, so things like 482, 483, 484, 485, 490, and things like that. Those are natural areas of support and resistance, especially when you do not have any prior price data. Looking at this, let's go into the hourly. You had this nice wedge, this retest fail, hold, nice hold here on Friday, and very strong rally to the upside, breaking this pre-market high here and this prior high. We broke, reclaimed back below, and very strong close here on Friday. So liking this to the upside, but again, it's very, very hard here to get some levels off of this for that continuation. Personally, I'm going to be using Friday's close, 482.43, for a continuation move to the upside. Targets 485, 487.50, 490, just being those whole dollar regions. We look at this from the weekly chart, very strong day or week 2 candle that's forming here after this failed breakdown on 1-1. Nice follow through bar, bullish engulfing, and then pullback. Nice strength here on this weekly candle. So again, 480 going to be a level of support below, which was this prior high from 1-3 of 22. Besides that, not much to see here. Nice strength and nice follow through continuation. One thing I want to touch on too really quick is the VIX. The VIX is obviously very weak as the market is all-time highs. 13 area being a level below, and then down into that 1138 zone. Make sure to keep those levels on watch. Touching on the NASDAQ quick too. Similar structure, very, very strong at highs here. Closing near that high of days, strong breakup bar, decent volume. Watching either a retest of 17,159.83 or a hold over Friday's close and Friday's high, 17,471, for a move higher, potential up into like 17,600 overhead. But again, at all-time highs, very tough to find those levels. Few stocks on watch this week, and one of the main ones that I really like is going to be PayPal. We see this descending daily trend line from the longer time frame. Now we're reclaiming, and this right here is what got me interested. It came from some comments from the CEO on restructuring, focusing more on their strategic partners, and things of increasing their profitability, and the market really, really liked that. It was weak, and it's rallied from 56 all the way up here into 65 on significant volume. So very, very strong move in a heavily beat down name. This one has plenty of room to run. One thing I want to note is we have this gap region here around 66.70. I do think we will test that. Then above that, we have another gap level here, 69.50, and then above that, a gap region into 72.50. So we have these pretty wide gaps where PayPal can fill this quickly to the upside up into this area. Very, very strong name. You can see we're up 6% here on Friday, and we're pushing up a little bit here in the after hours. So keeping this on watch, very, very strong over Friday's close at 65.82, taking this one up into that 66.70 region, then potential up into 69.50, and then overhead up into 73 overhead. The next one on watch here is actually going to be the downside, and if we go and zoom in on a shorter time frame, I'm watching a reclaim of this bear trend line down here, back below like 1420 to short this. If we go to the daily, we're still in this daily bear flag where we failed to really break and push higher on the strength on 118. If we break back below again that 1420 area, and especially, which would, let's do a 1410 area, Friday's low for this move, I do think we break this prior pivot around 1373. Room below that into like 1350 and then 13 below. 1350 coming from this retest area, 13 being a whole region below. But Notable relative weakness name here on this daily bull flag, back below this hourly trend line, watching that short move below 1410 for that short 1371 first target, then 1350, and then 13 below. Coin, another one, a really nice short. I mean, this was the one from the watch list before where we mentioned it off of this candle here. Very nice short below 130, failed to break up, pushed down here. I really think we test at least into like this 114.35 hourly pivot. We get this nice hourly break. You can see we're in this narrow wedge, boom, failed breakout, and then strong sell-off here, and notable relative weakness here on Friday as well. So as long as we continue below 130, still targeting that 114.35 region below. And one last one really quick is going to be AMD. This thing is so strong. You get this nice gap up, so you can see this weekly close of 146.50, gap up open on 150.34, breaking this prior pivot over here easily and pushing to the upside. So this one's super strong here, going to have to use intraday levels. You can see nice 3-bar play and 4-bar play, technically 1, 2, 3, 4, and nice push up here over 174.25. Going to be eyeing this one long up into that 180 region overhead for liquidity. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Leave a comment down below on what you guys are watching, and as always, if you could subscribe and like, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.